everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to import templates into GoodNotes. I'll also be showing you how to easily create your own notebook covers. So one question that I get asked a lot is what template I use, and the one that I've been using the most recently is the A3 narrow quad and ruled. I like using the A3 template size because I find that I can fit so much more on the page, which is great when I want to add lots of pictures and diagrams to my notes. And then once I'm done writing my notes, I like to change the paper template to the plain paper so that I'm not distracted by any lines when I'm reviewing my notes. If you want to download more templates to use in GoodNotes, you can go to their Dropbox where they have a great selection of paper and cover templates. To get to their Dropbox, go to their Instagram page and click the link in their bio. Then click the link that says Get More Templates for GoodNotes. Type in your email address and you'll get an email with a link to the templates. So here I wanted to download a dotted paper template. Once you have the template open, click download and then click save to my Dropbox. Once you've saved the template, go back into GoodNotes and click template library. Find the folder that you want to import the template into. Once you're in the folder, click edit at the top right, then click the plus sign at the top left. Next, find where you saved the template. So for me, I saved it in Dropbox. When you find your saved template, click on it and it'll be at the bottom of your template library. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your own covers in Over. So to make a GoodNotes template, all you have to do is change the dimensions to 1536 by 1960. Make sure to first disable constrain proportions at the bottom so you're able to do this. Then I clicked images on the bottom left and searched for a pattern that I wanted to have on my notebook cover. Once I found an image that I liked, I added a white rectangle so that I could add the subject at the top. When you've finished making your awesome notebook cover, click the arrow at the top right and save it to your photos. Go back into GoodNotes, click Options at the bottom right, and click Template Library. Just make sure to select Covers at the bottom. Next, choose the folder that you want to import the cover into, click Edit at the top right, and then click the plus sign. Go into Photos and find the cover. To add your cover to a notebook that you've already started, click the 4 squares at the top left, then click the plus sign below it, and then click the other plus sign to the left of the page. Then click Insert Page. You'll then be directed to your template library where you'll see your imported cover at the bottom. To create a new notebook with your cover, click on the left where there's a blank space and find the notebook that you want to use. I love using post-it notes in GoodNotes, so I thought I would show you guys how I do that. Recently, I've been using these sticky notes from Emma Studies, who has a ton of great printables on her Etsy shop. You can also download her free printables on her Tumblr, so I'll leave a link down below to both her Etsy shop and her Tumblr. Once you purchase and save the sticky notes, go back into GoodNotes, click the plus sign at the top left, and then click Image. Then go to where you saved the sticky notes. So for me, I saved them in Dropbox, so I clicked Dropbox, found the folder of sticky notes, and clicked the one I wanted to use. Another easy way to use sticky notes in GoodNotes is to import an image like this and take a screenshot of the post-it note you want to use in your notes. Select the lasso tool at the top and circle the post-it note that you want to use. Once you've finished selecting the image, you'll see something pop up that says Take Screenshot. Click it and then click the arrow at the top right. Next, click Copy and find the page of notes that you want to add the sticky note to. When you have your notes open, hold the pen down and click Paste. And there you go. The last way that I like to import sticky notes is by using the drag and drop feature. With GoodNotes open, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the dock. Next, touch and hold your web browser and drag it off the dock. Once you've found a sticky note that you want to use, touch and hold and drag it into GoodNotes. I love using this feature when I want to add images from the internet into my notes. To change the size of the post-it note, touch and hold and click Edit. To crop the sticky note, tap and hold, click Edit, and then tap and hold again and click Crop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you. I'll be uploading a new video soon, so keep a lookout for that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!